What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. Now the process is quite simple and there are basically two ways you can go about doing it. First, you can choose to put your Nintendo Switch 2 on recovery mode first, then factory reset it directly from there, but that is actually a longer process. An easy way to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2 and wipe off everything from the system is to simply just head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. So you want to scroll down to the settings icon over here, select that. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you get to the system settings. Select that. Now you want to continuously scroll down and you're going to see the factory reset option at the bottom. Actually, it is called formatting options. You want to go ahead and select that as well. Now scroll down until you get to the restore factory settings. Go ahead and select that. Make sure you read all of the information over here before continuing the whole process. So once you're done, you want to click on the next button over here, then click on next. And now you can see that once your console has been restored to factory settings, the deleted data cannot be recovered. Are you sure you want to continue? If you want to continue, you want to go ahead and just click on the restore factory settings button over here. Now just give it some few seconds. At this point, you want to wait for about 2 to 3 minutes, then proceed to power on your Nintendo Switch 2 again. So at the top, you want to press on the power button over here. And now we have successfully factory reset our Nintendo Switch 2. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.